People, this is my worst nightmare. My worst nightmare come to people. See the guys, the top dropping, the whole of it gone. This is one of the room. This is the kitchen, over the back, over this deck part of the house. See the kitchen, one tree drop down in the house, guys. We can't pass through the kitchen. This is about the house, we can't go to the kitchen done and cook. Me come in to cook. Little food so we can get it to eat. But look, as you go home, me left and go in there. I come down. The house dropping. People, we need help. We are wet up. We don't have one room left. One room left. We need help, guys. We need help. Help, people, help. Uncle room too. Every room gone. The uncle room too, guys. You know, everything dropping. The house stop dropping. Everywhere dropping. People, we need help. Help! Help, people, help! What I wake me up all about. Look, see there? We need help! Help! All, everyone in their house gone. You want trees up in there? Want trees up in the people, boy? Jesus Christ!